everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Autodesk Sketchbook account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your Autodesk Sketchbook account, firstly open your Google search. On the top at the search box, type in Autodesk Sketchbook and make a search. Click on the login link shown on the page. It will take you to the official page of Sketchbook account. Tap on Profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Among the displayed options under My Profile and Settings, click on Password and Security. Scroll down and under Delete Account and Data, click on Start Deletion option. Tap on Continue with Deletion. Tick mark on the box to delete your account and click on Continue with Deletion option. This is how you can delete your Autodesk Sketchbook account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.